अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। क्या हाल चाल है दोस्तों, कैसे हैं? ठीक है, वेल एंड गुड, यस, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। जी दोस्तों, लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था और थोड़ा सा ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग के बारे में बताया था। नॉट दैट मच, बट एग्जैक्टली आई हैड गिवन यू एन आइडिया व्हाट एग्जैक्टली ग्राफिक डिज़ाइन इज़. A small description it was. Okay, as we will go further, definitely you will come to know what is exactly the graphic design is, because I believe as long as you will be learning on these tools, so you will come to know what exactly graphic design is and how you can just use this graphic design in your life, and how you can just create your future by learning this skill. For me, I would say at the moment, with the current trend, if you ask me, I would suggest to all of you who are really expert in creative thinking, who are really know how we can just come up with an excellent idea, so I would suggest you to learn this skill. It is very important in this at the current world. In this current world, like if you want to keep yourself update, so I would suggest you to learn this skills. It is good enough for you to create your future by learning this type of skills, and this is what I feel. I'm not giving you any advice or something, but this is what I feel, that you should learn this type of skills. It will help you out in your future to grow. It's up to you what future you would like to choose, but yes, I can advise you in that you can just learn these skills. Anyhow, I'll be teaching you graphic design tool in this video, which will be Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator, it is a print media tool. In that you can create brochures, flyers, logos, monograms, and most of the printing things, the branding things like stationaries, visiting cards, and इस किस्म की सारी चीज़ें आप बना सकते हैं. मेरा बताने का मकसद सिर्फ आपको ये है कि आपको आइडिया हो कि हम क्या सीखने जा रहे हैं और क्यों सीखने जा रहे हैं, इसका पर्पस कहाँ पे है, हम इसको कैसे इस्तेमाल करेंगे. ठीक है, मैं आपको इस वीडियो में I'll be teaching you in this video the basics tools of Adobe Illustrator, which will help you out to understand what exactly the Adobe Illustrator is and what exactly we can create on a basic things, what type of things you can create, like squares, circles, stars, or these type of small things which will help you out, which will help you to learn the basics tools of graphic design of Adobe Illustrator and basic elements of Adobe Illustrator, basic objects. I will help you out how you can just create in a very simple and easy way, which will definitely be, you will not have any problem to learn those. Chale, without wasting our time, let's get straight to the screen. Okay, here we are on the Adobe Illustrator screen. So what we will do, we will go to the file. Okay, go to the file and click on new. When you click on new, you will have couple of options in front of you like this. As you can see, A4 size, custom A4 letter, and web large. So these are the dimensions of your artwork. So through from this part, from this area, you can just select the artwork, the size of your artwork which you desired to be worked on. Okay, so I will be selecting as a normal A4 size. Okay, you can select the way you want, but you can select A4 just to make to do the practice for you. Okay, and these are the, you see the pixels, points, pix, inches, feet, and all the diameters, all the millimeters, centimeters. You can just select from here. Okay, I'll leave all this as it is. Just click A4 and create, and make sure, yeah, before we get into it, what you will do, color mode, make sure it is CMYK. You know what is CMYK is? Since Adobe Illustrator, it is based on a vector based, because you know vector based, it normally uses CMYK colors. So when you want to print something, you need to make sure that your color mode is on CMYK. So just create, okay, at the moment create. Okay, we have created this, and as you can see, we have got this artboard in front of you. Okay, now this is called, if you see on the left side, this arrow type tool, arrow type shape, you can call it selection. As you can see, it is also showing you below, this is called selection tool. Okay, what is the purpose of this? You can select the entire object through this tool, through this arrow, but it is called selection tool. Okay, I want to create an rectangular. Okay, if you see on below, you see this one, where is my mouse? You can see this. What you will do, you need to select, click for a while, just hold your mouse key for a while, 1 second, then it will appear this options. Okay, you can select this one, select the rectangular tool. Okay, what I'm going to do, you will see, all you have to do, just drag and drop. Use the mouse, drag the way you would like to. Okay, I'm dragging it freely, I'm dragging on the artboard. You can see this shape. Okay, since we have got this shape, so you definitely would want to be colorized, to be colored inside this box. Okay, as you can see on your left side, you can see this called fill and stroke. It is already giving you the options below, fill and stroke. Okay, so this is the fill part, like the you can call it foreground. This is called the foreground, and this is called the background, which is called stroke at the moment as well. Basically it is a stroke. I'll be telling you, wait. Okay, first we need to do a color. Okay, double click on this, and then this pop-up will come in front of you. You can select the color, you can choose the color, any color you want. Okay, I'm choosing freely move, any color I will select, and I'll make it okay. You see the color has been changed. Okay, this from here up to we are done. Okay, so now see, this is called, I will change the color of the foreground to make it visible for you what we have, the stroke color is also. Okay, now we have changed the foreground. Now you want to change the stroke color. You can see this is a black thick line, it is called stroke. If you can see below this black color, this is called stroke. I want to change this one also as well. Double click on it, again select any color, make it okay. So you see this color, the stroke color also has been changed. Okay, now you do not want the front color in that, you want only the stroke. Okay, what you will do, select this one, and you see this, there is a one red line, and you can see this is called none. It is already written on it. If you click on it, you see this is gone. Now your foreground is gone. Okay, now you have the stroke remaining there. Okay, if you do not want the stroke also as well, what you will do, select this one, and you see, do the same procedure, none, and now you do not have anything, it is blank. But yes, your object is on the artwork is there, but you cannot see it because you have removed the attributes and the properties of the object. Okay, I will delete it. Press the delete button from your keyboard, you can delete it easily, any object you want to. I deleted it. Okay, now the same, click for a while on this tool on that side, you will have multiple options here. Okay, before we go further into it, I forgot to tell you that if you want the square exact from all the angles to be same. You see, all you have to do, press the shift key. Okay, I'm pressing the shift key, and you see the rectangular tool is coming proportionally. If I'm leaving the shift key, I'm not holding shift key, you see, any shape you want you can create it, but exact it will come while you pressing the shift key. Okay, I'm pressing it and you will get this one. Okay, again I told you, if you want to fill it, double click on it, select, and okay, that's it. Okay, now any shape you can create like that, whatever, you can just utilize the way you would like to. Now we'll go further. Ellipse tool, as I told you, hold for a while, maybe less than a second, it will appear these options. Ellipse tool. Okay, again if you want exact the circles shape, then all you have to do, press the shift key and then you see drag the mouse, and this shape will come. And if you don't press the shift key, then you see what is coming. It's a free move object, freely move. You can create the way you want. I am freely moving the mouse. I am creating any shape of the circle, which is called ellipse or circle or anything. Okay, so I'm going to remove all. What you will do, if you want to remove all, then you can select it. See, I'm telling you also as well how you can just remove all these objects at the same time. By removing these, all you have to do, just marquee selection. Okay, what you will do, marquee selection like that. I'm using like this, and press the delete button from your keyboard, it will gone. Okay, again come here, go to the polygon tool, same. You see, if I'm pressing the polygon tool, so we are having this type of shape. Okay, and if I'm not pressing shift, then you will have like this, the way you would like to, like that. Okay, this is very simple. You can just do your own practice, so you will come to know how these objects are working exactly. Okay, again there is a star tool called star tool. I select it, and then again if I'm pressing the shift key, you will have exact object, and if I'm not pressing the shift key, you will have like this. ठीक है, तो आपको बताना मेरे लिए आसान तरीके से यही है कि आप जब तक प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे ना, तो आपको इसका पता नहीं लगेगा. सॉरी. So I want you to practice on it as much as you can, so you will know what exactly and how exactly this Adobe Illustrator tool or software it is working. So anyhow, we are done up to here. I want to delete it. As I told you, select all like that. There are multiple ways of selection for multiple objects also as well. I'll be teaching you later on that, but I do not want to get into so quickly. Slow and steady, we'll be going slow and steady, always wins the race. So here we are. I hope you get it, what I was trying to teach you in this tutorial. It was very easy, simple, as long as when you will do your practice on it, you will come to know exactly what this is, what are the capability of this Adobe Illustrator tools are. So you need to do the practice. For me to saying you will not know exactly, as long as if you make practice on it, then you will really be enjoying this tool. Okay. I'm sorry. Till then, I'll be bringing you something else, other tools we will be learning. So I hope we are done up to here at the moment. You know what I mean? So I do not want you to like it, share it, but yes, at the same time, I want you to tell you that just because others will learn from you, from me, as long as if you try to share it, it will help all of us to grow together, to learn together. As I will be keep telling you this, it is good enough for all of us. Once We are together, and the union is strength. It gives power to the knowledge as long as we are united. Knowledge is a power, knowledge is a power. The power of trust, you can call it. I want you people to just share it as much as you can to those people who are really willing to learn this, and who are not even willing to learn this, it doesn't matter. It's for them also as well. Thank you so much. May God bless you, all of you. Allah Ta'ala आप सबको अपने हिफ्ज़ो ईमान में रखे. Anything you have, anything you did not get it in this video, please let me know. Share your thinking, share your comments, so I will also be keeping those points from your thinking in my mind. Allah Hafiz.